Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. City Beauty was kind enough to send me, sounds like some products in here. They emailed and asked if they could send me something, and I just assumed I would be getting one product. I got this big box and it's heavy. So I want to share it with you guys, show you everything that I got, and if you're curious, then you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So if you're curious to see what's in here, just keep watching. All right, I have to admit I didn't know a lot about City Beauty when they reached out to me. I remember seeing ads like on YouTube and some things on Instagram about them. But I never really paid that much attention or really looked to see what kind of products they have. So when they contacted me, I just said, yeah, go ahead and send me what you got. And then I went and looked at their website to see what kind of products they have. So here's what I've kind of learned about them. They're based out of LA and they are known for their skincare and cosmetics. They are well known for their City Lips, which is a plumping lip gloss, so I'm really hoping I got that. And I went ahead and I just started making notes on all of their products that they have. So as we open the box, I should have some notes on the items, and I can tell you a little bit more about them. So let's just do that and get right into this box. As you can see, it's sealed up, and I got my scissors. Let's open her up. I have been holding on to this box for several days now because I wanted to open it with you guys. Mute my phone there, sorry. So I've been wanting to open this up with you guys, and we will see what we got in here, as long as I don't stab myself. Okay. Box is open. Let's put scissors away. All right, so inside we have a nice piece of tissue and we have a whole bunch of the shredded paper. But right on top, I have quite a few cards here, and it looks like it's got the City Lips matte, their regular City Lips, the biocellulose face sheet mask, which is a line smoothing hydro mask, a multi-action sculpting cream, and then some instructions on how to do that. And then there's a little card here. It said, Karen, we're so excited to connect with you. Hope you enjoy trying some of our best products and can't wait to hear what you think. XOXO Neela. Thank you, Neela. I appreciate that. So right on top, I have the Line Smoothing Hydro Mask. It looks like a very large box of those. Let's open it up and see how many you get in here. Everything is nicely sealed. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So these are sheet masks, and this retails for $60 on their website. It says the Hydro Mask delivers unsurpassed hydration, leaving your face feeling fresh and rejuvenated like after a spa facial. Its unique biocellulose material pushes a powerful anti-aging serum deep into your skin to help boost elasticity and smooth out the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So I am anxious to give this a try. Next in here is their multi-action sculpting cream. Again, we're sealed up. Got beautiful packaging. Oops. Ooh, look, it even comes with a gold little, what do you call it, spatula. So that's really nice. This looks so pretty in here. Take that blue stuff off. So it's just nice packaging, and this has got like a rubberized feel to it, so it's not like a plastic type feel. Let's see how this looks. So that is what the product looks like. It's got a light scent to it, very pleasant, very clean feeling. So nothing that's like florally or over-scented. And let's read about this now. So this moisturizer is designed to visibly restore skin's elasticity by lifting, tightening, and firming the look of sagging skin. I've got that, so Our formula nourishes your skin with the vital building blocks that give your skin its taut, springy feel. So yes, I look forward to giving this a try too. And when I say try, I'm going to use these for at least 2 weeks, maybe longer. I like to give my skin a chance to try products out before I come back and tell you my results with them. Guys, this is packed. Holy cow. So I have City Lips, City Lips, City Lips Matte, more City Lips. Hi. Another City Lips Matte. Oh, these are different colors. Yeah, yes. There's City Lips. Two more boxes. Okay. Let me get these organized. Let's actually leave the lips products for the very end. The next thing I have is their City Lash. And that is, so City Lash. I can't tell you the price of this one because it was sold out. I didn't even tell you the price on the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. That is $67 and you get 1.69 ounces with that. So with City Lash, that's again sold out on their website, so I wasn't able to get a price for you. I will look again and see if they have it back in stock. So this eyelash treatment is designed to minimize lash fallout, improve lash texture, protect against breakage, and support the natural lash growth process. As a result, the proven ingredients in this safe formula help your lashes look stronger, thicker, and longer. So as some of you may or may not know, I have been using CarePost for a very long time, and that has made my lashes go like crazy. I just happen to have run out of that, and I haven't reordered it, so I haven't been using it for a couple of weeks, so this will be a great product to try in the meantime. It's got that same beautiful, like rubberized texture to it. Let's get that tape off of it. And it comes with just a little brush, fine brush, which I'm sure you just put right along your lash line like you would the other products, but I love their packaging. I just think that's so pretty, the way they present everything. And this is very thick cardboard on here too. All right, the next product we have is their Under Eye Recovery. This retails for $50 at their site, and you get 0.5 ounces. It says the Under Eye Recovery is a brightening eye cream designed to brighten dark circles. Lord knows I need that. And get rid of puffiness under the eyes. The powerful formula also smooths fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. I'm needing this one really, really bad. You guys know I end up putting like 3 layers of concealer on because of my dark circles. So this is what the tube looks like. Oh, it's got a pump on it too. I'll show you that. So let's pump a little bit out, see how it feels. There we go. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, it's very cooling on the skin. And it is very hydrating. Not a scent to it, so if you are irritated by scents, that's great product. And it just says you can use this twice a day. So I will be putting that one to the test. Okay, I have 6 different lip products here. We've got 2 that are matte and the rest are their City Lips. So let's start with the City Lips. I've got the color Clear. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. We've got clear. We've got pink nude, mulberry. Ooh, that's pretty. There we go. And then San Diego. That's cute. So let's start with the clear. I'm going to swatch some of these. And by the way, the City Lips, they are $35. It comes in a total of 20 shades. They have clears, shimmers, and opaque colors. So City Lips is a plumping lip gloss that gives you both an immediate and long-term solution for your lips. With innovative ingredients that help restore healthy lips, it delivers deep hydration for instant plumping, long-lasting comfort, and smooth out lip lines and wrinkles. I need that too. So here is what the bottle looks like. And again, we've got the clear. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. So this is what the wand looks like. It's got a bit of an angle to it. I don't feel any tingling type thing going on. Okay, I'm gonna let that be on there for a little bit, and let me just take a quick photo myself so we can see if they do indeed plump up. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so for these next colors, I am just going to go ahead and swatch them for you. So this is Pink Nude. This is again what it looks like in the bottle there. Ooh, that's pretty. All right. So there is Pink Nude. This is Mulberry. So this one I'm really excited to see how that goes. Okay, and there's Mulberry. Then San Diego. And that looks like it has like a gold. So this is like a metallic one, I think. I think that's one that would go best over like another lipstick or something. So that's the bottom one. See that. Hopefully that's all in focus for you. The lights are kind of bright on that. So let's move on to the City Lips Matte. I have two shades. I have Rosewood and Pink Taupe. And the City Lip Mattes run $35. They have them available in 10 shades. This is a non-drying matte lipstick with an innovative formula that supports lip health. 10 richly pigmented colors that last all day without bleeding into fine lines or wrinkles. Okay, so this is the Pink Taupe. We have a beautiful frosted bottle with that. So we will swatch that one on the other hand. Oh, I like that color a lot. I'm going to be trying that one for sure. And then we have Rosewood. Ooh, I like that. Okay. What color do I want to wear? They're both so pretty. I think I'll do the Rosewood since I happen to have that in front of me. Okay. We've had this on for a few minutes now. Do you guys notice any difference? I don't know that I'm seeing it, but let's take that. Oh, let me take a picture so we have a before and after. Wipe it off. These are not lip plumping. They're very, very creamy. They're almost like a whipped texture. Now I'm feeling like a tingle, a little bit of a tingle. Not a bad tingle, but it's good. So this is rosewood. And we'll kind of let that dry down for just a minute or two, and I will be right back, and then we'll kind of do a recap on everything. All right, guys, I am back, and I am thrilled with everything that they sent to me. This lipstick is so comfortable. I don't know that it's transfer resistant. Not quite. Maybe if it had a chance to dry down a little bit more. But when it turns matte, this kind of gives you an idea of what the two shades look like that I have. But again, it's so comfortable. Doesn't get all over my teeth or anything. So I want to try layering some of the clear gloss on top of that. Yeah, this gloss, it just doesn't feel gloppy or heavy. It doesn't feel like it's like burning or anything like that. So I appreciate that. That's why I don't usually use lip plumping glosses, because I just don't like the way they feel on my lips. It kind of burns and stuff, and this one doesn't. So these, I'm excited to try everything out. So I will have another video here in another couple of weeks, and we'll do a recap on everything. I'll have links to their page and all their products down below for you as well. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when I do upload the video with the update on these products. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It helps me out quite a bit when you do that. And of course, feel free to leave any comments, questions, concerns. If you've tried any of the City Beauty products, I'd love to hear what you've tried before and your thoughts on them as well. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.